Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be talking about a fascinating and increasingly important area of software testing, and that is chaos testing. So, what exactly is chaos testing? Essentially, it's the practice of deliberately introducing failures and unexpected conditions into a software system to observe how it responds. Instead of just testing what should happen, we're testing what happens when things go wrong on purpose. Why would we intentionally break our systems? The idea is to build resilience and uncover hidden weaknesses. In production, all sorts of unexpected issues can occur: network outages, server crashes, resource exhaustion. Chaos testing helps us proactively identify how our system behaves in these chaotic situations so we can fix vulnerabilities before they impact our users. It's about building confidence in our system's stability. What are some practical examples of how we perform chaos testing? We might simulate a sudden spike in user traffic that overwhelms the servers. We could introduce delays in one microservice and check response of another, for example, making a payment service slow down when called by an order service. We might also simulate database delays, making the database respond slowly to queries. Another example is bringing down a critical secondary service to see if the main application can still function or recover gracefully. We could even introduce general network latency or packet loss to observe how different components communicate under stress. And what are the benefits of deliberately creating this chaos? The benefits are significant. We gain a much deeper understanding of our system's dependencies and failure points. It helps us improve our monitoring and alerting systems, so we are notified of issues proactively. It also drives improvements in our system's architecture and recovery mechanisms, making it more self-healing and fault-tolerant. Ultimately, it leads to a more reliable and stable product for our users. Does this mean we just randomly break things in production? Absolutely not. Chaos testing should be performed in controlled environments, typically staging, or dedicated test environments that closely mimic production. It's a carefully planned and executed activity with clear goals and monitoring in place. We want to learn and improve without impacting real users. What are some challenges when implementing chaos testing? One challenge is defining what failures to inject and how to measure the system's response effectively. We need good observability tools to monitor key metrics. It also requires a certain level of maturity in our testing and development processes. Building the right chaos experiments takes time and careful planning. Any final thoughts on chaos testing? Chaos testing is a proactive approach to building more resilient and reliable systems. It embraces the reality that failures will happen and empowers us to learn from them in a safe environment. It's about moving beyond just functional testing to understand the non-functional characteristics, particularly availability and stability. That's it from today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and thank you for watching.